If your 2022 to 2023 Kia Carnival displays key not detected, it likely means your key fob's battery is dead. Don't panic, all Carnival fobs have a physical key inside. Press the release button on the fob to slide it out. Use this key to unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, place the dead fob close to the start button in the designated key pocket area. Press the brake pedal firmly and then push the start button. This bypasses the dead battery by utilizing the fob's passive RFID chip for emergency starting. To avoid future key not detected issues, replace your fob battery, the CR2032 type, annually or when you see low battery warnings. Some owners are experiencing improvements from 2024 to 2025 firmware patches from Kia, reducing false alerts by up to 40%. Monitor the Kia Connect app for potential over-the-air updates that can recalibrate the system. Looking ahead, Kia is exploring solar-powered fobs and AI-enhanced systems that predict battery failure. For now, keep a spare battery handy and familiarize yourself with the emergency start procedure. Be wary of aftermarket fob extenders as they could void your warranty or compromise security.